First, let's measure the length of the pole. The pole is about 129 inches.
Now we're going to measure the distance from the pole to V standing point. It's about 80 inches.
Now we're going to measure V's height. V is approximately 63 inches.
So now we're going to measure the distance that V walked between 5 and 15. It's 180 inches. To start off, let's plug in the information that we gathered. So V's height is 63 inches and the height of the pole is 130 inches. So let's call the distance from V to her shadow Y and the distance from V to the pole X. And let's call the length of the shadow Z. V's walking speed is dx over dt, and that is 30 inches per second. We are trying to find how fast the shadow is growing when V is 80 inches away from the pole, which is dy over dt. To do this, we can set up a ratio of similar triangles to have an equation that relates all this information. As you can see, there is this triangle and the bigger triangle. So this should be y over 63 equals x plus y over 130. Cross multiplying, we get 130y equals 63x plus 63y. Subtracting 63y from both sides, we get 67y equals 63x. Taking the derivative, we get 67 times dy over dt equals 63 times dx over dt. So now let's substitute dx over dt with V's walking speed, which we found earlier to be 30 inches per second. So 67 times dy over dt equals 63 times 30. Dividing each side by 67, we would get dy over dt to be 28.209 inches per second. And that is our answer.